Hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. So we started the day today by looking at this structure and by highlighting that the rally that we've seen from our support region was only in 3 waves, and that it is quite plausible to watch for either a B wave bounce in the yellow scenario, that would be wave B in wave 3 to the downside, or that we're watching already for a reversal, because in the white scenario, which is the bullish count, a low could already be in, but that it won't be anything that we can confirm until we see a 5-wave pattern that actually breaks above resistance. So the parameters haven't changed at all. So let's talk about the parameters first, and then let's talk about the bullish and bearish scenarios here on the 1 hour time frame. By the way, this is only going to be an intraday update. The daily chart was covered in the previous update if you're interested, or you just hang around till tomorrow. Tomorrow I'm going to cover the daily chart again. But the idea is that in the let's talk about the parameters first. Resistance is between 61,714 and 63,284. The price has now reached the resistance area. In fact, the price has now reached a 50% retracement at 62,170. It respects resistance at the moment. We haven't broken above it. Therefore, nothing has really changed in terms of resistance. Now, if we talk about support, we have a couple of support areas on the chart. Well, we've got the main one, which is the orange support region, where we have support between 55,500 and 60,830. As long as we're holding above 50,480 or 55,480, 55,500, the white scenario, which is the bullish case, has a chance. But this is the overall support area. Within this support area, we have the blue Fibonacci area, which is based on the internal structure to the downside. So it's just an additional area to watch. You could say we're trying to refine the standard support area, make it a little bit smaller, just to have an additional area of interest in our support region. And here support is defined between 58,640 and 60,680. Now, in this move to the downside, which looks at the moment still like a 3-wave move, I mean, it can be a 5-wave move, but I explained yesterday why it's more likely a 3-wave move. In the bullish wave count, we are tracking an ABC structure to the downside. A, B, C. Sorry, it's a bit ugly. I've got my touchpad here, actually. Hope you know what I mean. A, B, C. Okay, not very easy, but you know, that's what I want to highlight. It's a 3-wave move down, A, B, C, and this could be the white wave count, wave B complete. But to confirm that wave B is actually complete, I need to see a break above resistance. And therefore I highlighted to you until actually I see that, because the trend is down from the Friday high. I'm going to at least watch for further downside, because as long as the reaction to support is corrective, there is no confirmation that a low is in place. And it just doesn't look finished yet. But if I see a 5-wave move up instead of 3, and a break above resistance, we need both conditions fulfilled, then I have a first confirmation that low is in. Why do 3 waves above resistance not, well, why are they not sufficient? Because it could be that this is an ABC structure, yes, but only in a larger A wave in the white count. We're doing a B wave rally and then a C wave down. And that B wave rally would be a 3-wave move. So I really need 5 waves above resistance. So at the moment, I can assure you it's only a 3-wave move up. I'm definitely watching for a reversal, but that's not predicting one, because it's only a 3-wave move up. Okay, so that's how you trade. This is of course up to you, but there is a support area. I mean, this support area, it did already lead to a reaction. Yeah. Now, anybody who already entered here, you know, all you need to do is manage risk, but some people want to wait for the first 5-wave move up, obviously, okay? Because the next move up in the white count would be a C wave, and that C wave is a 5-wave move, and you could wait for the first wave of that 5-wave move to complete, followed by a 3-wave pullback, which could be a setup. But essentially, this is the area where the bulls need to turn up for the white scenario to play out. and they need to do that before breaking below 55,480. And the move down in the yellow count would likely be a diagonal, so it doesn't look impulsive, not based on the microstructures. So yeah, what can I say? So far, the resistance area is still being respected. Pay attention to the resistance area. That's all eyes need to be on that resistance area, specifically the 63,280 level. For now, as long as it's a three-wave move, I prefer further downside simply because I'm just going with the trend. But as long as I see the first, or as soon as I see the first micro 5-wave move up, that would be our signal. And I would let you know that I'm going to add another support zone to the chart, micro support. That's the update about Bitcoin. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.